Demonology. Demonology. What is it called? Demonology. Ready, bro, ready. Juniper Road.
Oh, you want me to clean the floor? Jesus.
Well, let's go.
Bro, just clean the floor all the time. Why is the floor so dirty?
By the way, this is
Why are you
video screen.
Thank you. Go out. Yeah.
Another salt canister. Nice. Saan? Pantry.
Outside. Oh, she's outside too. She's outside.
No ghost orb. No ghost orb. Sa pantry. Sa pantry ba? Ay, meron nga. Oh yeah. But you see, bro.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. My dad found out. Okay. Oh my God.
As you can see, we're filming. Look at this.
Huh? You do 20 squats? I just have to crouch over and over.
I'm gonna put the spirit, the laser projector.
He's got me working out.
Ang daming nilamon yan.
You're missing jackass.
Jack.
Okay, I don't know what just happened, but apparently I.
Can you see the?
What is that? That like a wooden plank? I don't know what that is. Okay, the window.
Go.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ring this bell again.
Ha?
Bro.
Then I'm gonna be studying.
Bro. The cursed mirror broke. Oh my god, you got possessed. Oh my god. Guys, today the end. It's the end video. No wait. I'm gonna revenge you. I'm gonna revenge you. What the heck was that?
I have been playing this for a whole hour, and I haven't even liked this on the video.
Nice. It's so nice right now. Yeah, bro. By the way, my teammate is now just a ghost. Where is he? I'm finding him.